In many modern classrooms, digital slides and basic worksheets often result in passive scrolling and low student engagement. You can replace those static pages with interactive, gamified web activities, and you can build them without needing any programming knowledge. This is possible using Canva Code, an AI-driven tool that translates simple text prompts directly into functional digital activities. Because the resulting activities respond to student inputs, they provide immediate formative feedback while the learner is working. To use this workflow, you only need to meet two requirements. You must be logged into a free Canva for Education account, and you must use a desktop web browser. Mastering these prompts allows you to shift from creating static documents to building activities that respond directly to student choices. Starting on your main desktop Canva dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation menu. Scroll through the options and click the button labeled Canva AI. Inside that section, locate the code bracket icon. Clicking this specific icon opens the Activity Generator chat interface. While you can design visual assets on the Canva tablet app, publishing these interactive code activities is only possible on a desktop. Using this specific AI code interface allows you to build functional software with logical branches, moving beyond the capabilities of a standard slide deck. You are now looking at a blank chat interface, featuring a message box at the bottom. This is where you construct the primary prompt for your activity. This diagram shows two paths for your prompt. On the left are basic point-and-click activities, like simple sorting or matching games, offering lower-level engagement. True interactivity requires the structure on the right: student choices, variable consequences, and gamified elements. In the message box, formulate a prompt asking the AI to create an interactive branching scenario designed specifically for middle school students. Next, apply specific thematic constraints. Instruct the AI that the student must take on the role of a historical figure, making critical decisions during the American Revolution. Submit your prompt. The platform requires a brief processing period, while the AI generates the framework and writes the underlying logic. Providing a highly structured, scenario-based prompt forces the AI to elevate the activity from a simple knowledge check into a complex critical thinking exercise. Here is the baseline activity generated by the AI, displayed in the full-screen preview window so you can evaluate its layout. AI generators sometimes introduce design flaws on the first attempt, such as this color palette where dark text sits on a dark background. To correct this, return to the chat box and explicitly command the AI to change the font to a high-contrast color. You use this exact same conversational function to adjust the academic content for different student abilities. For example, you can command the AI to add a new simplified tab to the interface that features a fill-in-the-blank quiz for students who require additional support. To align the content with your curriculum, click the plus icon next to the chat box. This allows you to upload custom reference materials, forcing the AI to draw its questions from your specific classroom texts. This rapid iterative refinement creates a workflow where one core model can be tailored to multiple learner levels, using only a few follow-up instructions. Once your differentiated activities are ready, look to the primary share options located in the top navigation bar of the desktop interface. Follow this sequence. Select Share, then click Website, and then click Publish. Pay close attention here. If you leave the final link on its default restricted setting, your students will be unable to access the activity. To prevent this, manually change the Access Permissions dropdown so that it explicitly states anyone with the link. Paste the finalized URL into an incognito window. This allows you to test the interactive triggers and verify the live student-facing view. Successfully managing those access permissions ensures your students can enter a barrier-free interactive learning environment. You have deployed functional, custom-built software for your classroom using only plain text descriptions.